Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. With this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of Korean language and Korean culture by exploring the days of the week and the meaning behind each name or each day of the week. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now, across cultures worldwide, the names of the days, it holds a special significance which is often inspired by celestial bodies and elements. Okay, so in different cultures across the world, you'll notice that the days of the week, they are named after various celestial bodies or after the elements of the nature. Okay, so similarly in Korean, each day name, it reflects a unique meaning which is derived from Chinese origins, and therefore it highlights a rich cultural connection. So in Korean, these names blend a celestial body or element, here we are talking about a natural element, with the word for day. तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि कोरियन लैंग्वेज में जो डे नेम है वो कॉम्बिनेशन है either the name of a celestial body or any natural element and the word for day. Okay, इन दो के कॉम्बिनेशन से किसी भी डे का नेम फॉर्म होता है कोरियन लैंग्वेज में. One more important thing is all these day names in Korean, they end with yoil, which translates into day or day of the week. Okay, तो जितने भी डे नेम्स हैं कोरियन में, all the 7 days, their name ends in this yoil. Okay, जैसे इंग्लिश में हर डे का जो नेम है वो डे से एंड होता है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे. सिमिलरली कोरियन में डे का रोल कौन प्ले कर रहा है? योल, दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सिलेबल्स. ओके, one more interesting thing, that is in Korean, planets are also named based on the same concept, and I've already made a video on the planet names in Korean in which I also introduced and explained the meaning behind the name of each and every planet. So if you have not watched this video yet, then you can go and watch it on my YouTube channel. I'm also going to share the link of this particular video in the description. Okay, it is a very interesting video. Now let's explore the fascinating meanings behind the days of the week in Korean. Okay, first comes Monday. In Korean, it is called Hwaryoil. Hwaryoil. Now we know yoil, it translates into day or day of the week. So this first syllable hwar, it is holding the complete meaning behind Monday being named as Hwaryoil in Korean. So let's see what does hwar means. Hwar means moon. Okay, as I said, the days of the week, they are having Chinese origin. So these words, they are also derived from the Chinese culture or Chinese language. Okay, now hwar means moon. So Monday is named after this celestial body moon. Okay, next comes Tuesday, and it is called Hwayoil. Hwayoil. Now hwa, it means fire. So Tuesday is named after the natural element fire. Okay, next comes the Korean word for Wednesday, and that is suyoil. Suyoil. And su, it means water. Water is also a natural element. Next comes the Korean word for Thursday, and it is called 목요일. 목요일. And mok, it means wood. Okay, next is Friday, and it is called 금요일. 금요일. And kum, it means gold. Gold, the metal. Okay, so Friday is named after gold. Next is obviously Saturday, and it is called 토요일. 토요일. And to, it means soil. So soil is also a natural element. Okay, now to, you will see it could be translated into dirt. So dirt or soil, it's one and the same thing. Next is the last one, Sunday, and it is very easy. It is Erioil. Erioil. Here it means sun. So Sunday is named after sun in Korean also. So it's very easy to remember the name. Korean language में भी ये बहुत easy है, Erioil, and if you want to remember the reference, then Sunday, it is named after sun in Korean. So some of you might get confused that il is the word for day in Korean. I know, but here il means sun. Okay? Alright, so today we learned the days of the week in Korean language along with the meaning behind the name of each day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.